Alam nyo ba ang rum? Who wants rum?
I want one.
So do I. Bring it. Alright. I'm gonna give an sample po kay Johnny. Ay, ikaw ka lang. Sample kay Johnny Depp. Ito po yung mga sayings na paborito ko. When you maroon me on that God-forsaken spits of phlegm, you forgot one very important thing, mate. And Captain Jack Sparrow. Alright! meron pa. Parang nakalimutan ko na sa pag-iisip ng calculus ata to eh. Jack Sparrow. Alright, ano man yun? Bukas kami uwi. Ito ang isang sayings ni Jack Sparrow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day that you always remember, is the day that you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow. Alright, yun ang mga paborito kong sayings ni Jack.